Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a tag in ConvertKit, the easiest way to organize your subscribers and automate your emails. First, log into your ConvertKit account and head over to the Subscribers tab at the top of your dashboard. On the right-hand side, click on the Tags option. This is where all your tags are listed and managed. Click the plus Create a Tag button. Type the name of your new tag, for example, New Leads or Purchased Product A. Then hit Enter or click Save. Now you can use this tag in your automations, forms, or sequences. For example, when someone signs up through a specific form, you can automatically tag them with this label. To edit or delete a tag, just return to the Tags page. Hover over any tag and you'll see options to edit or delete it anytime. And that's it. You've just learned how to create and manage tags in ConvertKit. Tags are a powerful way to keep your subscribers organized and target them with personalized emails. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more ConvertKit tips.